Are you looking for the best telescope for kids? With kids developing a growing fascination for space and science, the demand for beginner-friendly telescopes is on the rise. Whether it's for casual stargazing or sparking a lifelong love for astronomy, finding the right telescope is key. This guide evaluates 5 of the best telescopes for kids, focusing on important factors like optical quality, ease of use, durability, portability, and overall value for money.
Product number 1. Telescope 80mm aperture 600mm. Astronomical Portable Refracting Telescope. This 80mm aperture refractor telescope offers a generous 600mm focal length, making it an excellent choice for young beginners who want clear, sharp images of the moon and nearby planets. The fully multi-coated lenses provide high transmission, enhancing brightness and contrast. It's built with a lightweight frame, making it easy for kids to carry and set up. Included accessories like 2 eyepieces and a smartphone adapter add versatility and learning fun. The tripod is adjustable and stable, though it might feel slightly basic for more advanced use. Still, its optical performance is impressive for its price point, making it ideal for both kids and adult beginners alike.
Product number 2. Telescopes for Adults, Astronomy. 80mm aperture, 600mm refractor telescope for kids and beginners. This telescope combines solid optical power with user-friendly features that cater to both kids and adults. With an 80mm aperture and 600mm focal length, it captures plenty of light, resulting in brighter, more detailed views of celestial objects. It's beginner-friendly, requiring minimal setup, and comes with an upgraded tripod and multiple eyepieces. What sets this model apart is its upgraded phone adapter and wireless remote, which allow easy photo taking, perfect for young explorers who love documenting their findings.
Product number 3. Telescope for Adults and Kids, 70mm aperture refractor, 15x to 150x portable travel telescope with phone adapter. If you're looking for an entry-level telescope that balances performance and affordability, this 70mm refractor model is a standout. Designed with portability in mind, it's perfect for kids who want to bring their telescope on vacations or backyard star parties. The magnification range of 15x to 150x offers flexibility for viewing the moon, planets, and even some deep sky objects. It includes a smartphone adapter, making it easy to capture and share celestial views. The setup is quick and tool-free, making it ideal for beginners.
Product number 4. TOYR-B Telescope for Adults and Kids, 70mm aperture, 150 to 150x portable refractor telescope. TOYR-B's 70mm refractor telescope is a top pick for parents who want to inspire their kids' curiosity without spending a fortune. With a wide magnification range from 15x to 150x, it offers plenty of viewing power for beginners. It includes a phone adapter and wireless remote, making it fun and easy for kids to take snapshots of the moon and stars. Its lightweight build and easy assembly make it especially suited for children. The optics are decent for the price, and while it doesn't offer advanced features, it nails the basics, perfect for young stargazers and school projects.
Product number 5. TOYR-B Telescope for Adults and Kids, 70mm aperture astronomical refractor telescope, 150 x 150x. Another solid entry from TOYR-B. This model is nearly identical in specs to its sibling, offering a 70mm aperture and up to 150x magnification. It features upgraded optics and multiple eyepieces, delivering good visual clarity for lunar and planetary observations. What makes this version slightly more appealing is the overall sturdiness of its tripod and its intuitive instructions, which make assembly a breeze even for younger users. It also comes with a smartphone adapter, making it easy to blend learning with digital fun.